Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a professional looking portfolio site using Canva. It's going to be looking just like what I have here on my screen. Yeah, very simple, straight to the point, and you can create this in less than 10 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Keep on liking and sharing. I really do appreciate. If you are a new subscriber, here I share tips about career growth. I also share productivity tips and tricks on how you can be able to move your career from where it is now to the next level. So let's jump right into the video. So, as usual, you go to canva.com and click on enter. Now, Canva just released quite a number of features recently, and you define them once you log in, depending on whether you are a pro user or not. You can access the brand hub, the discover, translate, magic everywhere, and so on. But in this case, we want to develop websites, right? So if you don't have it on your screen, like the way I have mine here, you can just come here onto your search bar, type portfolio websites, and you have quite a number of templates. You can decide to have a website to just have a page or multiple pages, right? So what I previously did here, I have 3 pages. One is my bio, the other is for my project, and the last is contact me. So you've already seen something beautiful here. I think it's going to speak to what we're looking for. So I'll just go ahead and click on that. Now, what Canva does, or what it is, it helps you to create very simplistic and professional looking site by embedding links. That's basically what it does. Let's take out this guy here, and I will go to elements. Let me move this guy over to this far corner side. So I'll go to elements here and click on frame, picture frame. I think I like what I'm seeing here, so I'm just going to drag that guy here. And it's now to bring in my picture. I already have my picture uploaded here. However, if you do not have yours, all you need to do is click on upload and bring that in. Right now, if you bring it in, definitely your picture is going to come in with a background, and you can go ahead to remove your background by going to removebg.com, or better still, you can use Zyro to upscale your images if you want to. All right, so this guy, I bring her in here. These do not have a background, so you can see what it looks like, and I think I like what I'm saying. Change my name. I want to have my name boldly written here. Let's see, font size as corporate. I think I like this bold. Yeah, I can write human resources professional in red. I like this red. Okay, so here we have email me. So all you need to do is embed your email address. To do that is embed a link over email me. All you need to do is go to email me and right click on it. Once you right click on it, it comes up with all these menus or options. You click on link and you can just simply type in your email address. So once you have done that, automatically you can see the pop-up that says link added. Now the next is your social media handles. I go to my LinkedIn. I already have my LinkedIn opened. I come here, view profile. Okay, this is it. I copy it. I come to my Canva back, click on the 3 menu, click on link, impute. Okay, link added. Okay, for my resume. So I can decide. I already have my resume here. Copy the link. Of course, it's saved on my drive, so you can easily save that on your drive and copy the link. Right? Come back to Canva as usual. Click on it. Right click on it and impute that. Okay. Portfolio, if you don't have anything on portfolio, you can take that out. You don't need all of the elements. You can decide to realign this to be in the middle and just there. If the background doesn't look like something that you want, you can decide to come to your background here. Click on, I still want it white, but I think I need some finesse. I think I like this better. I'll just play around with the items. Okay, so this is what I have as a final look for a one pager portfolio site. You go to preview to see what it looks like on when you eventually launch it, right? Now, this is what it looks like. Dum, 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 dum. Easy peasy. Yeah, you may also be concerned that okay, you like to see how it looks like on the mobile version. So this is what it also looks like via mobile version. And I feel like this is actually pretty good. So once I'm satisfied with what I want, I can go ahead to click on the publish button. Now, this is also very beautiful because if you already have like a domain, you can actually put that in here. But if you do not have, you can actually use Canva's free domain and continue. Edit that out. Website description. That's in here. Strategies. Publish. And you can see your
Wow.
professional looking portfolio page. Very simple, straight to the point. In less than 10 minutes, you're done. Right? So let's now test out what we did. So here I clicked on my emails is issued. Automatically take me to mail email address here and click on the send button, right? Very simple. Here I embedded my resume. So once I click on that, it should take me automatically to my drive where I have my resume. So that is what you're currently seeing here. And the next is I think I embedded my YouTube page also. So I'll click on that and it should take me directly to my YouTube channel page. Next is LinkedIn. So I'm going to click on LinkedIn and it should take you automatically to LinkedIn. Beautiful, sweet. Oh God, I'm loving this. I think that's about what I did. So that's just about it. So thank you so much for joining in. See you in my next video.